Mix lemon juice and olive oil for amazing benefits. Mix lemon juice and olive oil for remarkable advantages. We are always searching for options that are 100% natural. We constantly desire over-the-counter and prescription medication. It appears we discovered one in the olive oil and lemon juice. Today we will go over the advantages of mixing the lemon juice and olive oil in this video. These are not utilized to cure significant illness, but they can avoid problematic signs and issues to some level. 1. Detox the body. Lemon juice and olive oil, both are the substance which is understood to cleanse the body. They can assist in getting rid of hazardous toxins out of the body. They can also help in cleaning gallbladder and liver and likewise protect them from harming particles. 2. Benefits of hair, skin and nails. The mix of olive oil and lemon juice assists in keeping the nails damp and strong. This mixture can be straight added to your cuticles to keep them healthy and reduces the chances to grow a hangnail. The lemon juice also fights the germs and cleans the skin. It minimizes the scalp of dandruff. 3. Relieve constipation. Both of these are a natural laxative and they can assist the bowel motions and make them comfortable. Lemon juice is an anti-inflammatory and lowers any swelling in the intestinal tract and the abdominal walls. Lemon juice and olive oil does the marvels for your bowels moving, eliminates agonizing gases, and lowers stomach tension. 4. Cholesterol. This amazing mix can reduce the levels of bad cholesterol, by simultaneously increasing the levels of terrific cholesterol. This likewise helps in smooth movements of joints and lowers the tension on joints and bones. 5. It helps in circulation. Olive oil helps in improving the circulation of blood throughout your body and avoids a blood clot from forming. In addition to taking in the olive oil and lemon juice mix, you can likewise use it directly to your skin, to minimize the look of varicose veins. 6. Helps in blood pressure. Consuming this mixture within the breakfast can confirm that your pressure level stays stable and doesn't spike up. This can be as a result of this mixture helps the body in fighting against harmful toxins and comes alongside thousands of helpful minerals. Ingredients required. 1/2 tablespoon of olive oil, 1/2 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Steps to prepare. 1. Take both fresh lemon juice and olive oil and mix these ingredients properly. 2. Now consume this mixture just before breakfast. 3. You should consume this mixture twice or thrice a week for the best positive results. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Do not forget to check out more videos, which will appear shortly.